it's your girl, coming at you guys today with a wig review being brought to you by Celie Hair. They sent me their 13 by 4 lace front Brazilian loose deep wave human hair wig. And y'all, this wig is gorgeous. I've already washed it and I've been, playing around with it. Washed pretty nicely. I got very little shedding from it. And it came very nicely packaged. So within the package, it contained this little silk bag. And in the silk bag is a bonnet, a wig cap, a net wig cap, and then a mirror came with it. So that was cute. I like the little touches on it, and then it comes in, and then your wig is going to come in packaged in this box. My box got a little beat up during shipping, but that's okay. So let me get on to showing you the wig. Like I said, I've already washed it and things like that, and it washed really, really nicely. And so here is the wig. Oh, and also it's going to come with your adjustable bra strap band to it. You're going to get a total of, let's see, yeah, you get 3 combs. 2 combs here by your temple, a comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. Let me adjust those. This is a 13 by 4 lace front. And so that is a good thing because you do have parting area. And here is your parting area right here. Oh, and it does come with a comb in the middle. So actually 4 combs. Yeah, 4 combs. Which I need to take this comb out because this comb will irritate the mess out of you. I don't know why that's there. But yeah, this is the frontal, what the frontal is looking like. It does go from ear to ear. And then like I said, you have your adjustable bra strap. And so let's try the wig on so you guys can see what she looks like. Let me take my scarf off. Haven't added any of my makeup or anything to it yet. And she is 20 inches long. The cap is pretty big for me in my head. I have an average size head, so the cap is a tiny bit too big for me. And even with the adjustable straps that it has, it's not really working for me. So I'm not sure if I may have to glue this down or not. I already have it pre-parted here though, but let me show you the parting space. Like I said, I haven't added any of my makeup to it yet. That's not bad for me not having, even added my makeup to it. I thought the lace was kind of light for me, but I haven't, I'm not experiencing like a white shadow or anything. Let me show you the hairline. The hairline comes slightly pre-plucked. You can, of course, go in and pluck it some more if you wanted to do so. And I'm not sure if I'm going to glue this down or not. But look at this gorgeous loose deep wave. I'm loving this curl pattern. It's really, really nice and pretty. Very, very natural. As you can see, I haven't colored the wig or anything. This is the natural color that it comes with. So let me give you a 360. And for 20 inches, oh, this baby has some, it looks like it's a little bit more than 20 inches. But I'm loving the length. And the density, as you guys can see, is really, really nice. This is 180% density, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, this is really, really pretty. I do love it. I am going to wet it just to show you guys what it'll look like, once you wet it. I kind of don't want to wet it, though, because do y'all see how pretty this loose wave pattern is? It looks so doggone natural. I'm almost afraid to wet it. But, for the sake of this review, I am going to go ahead and wet it for you guys. But look how pretty and thick this just looks. In a natural dry state, it looks so doggone pretty. But of course, we're going to go ahead and, do just a little bit of styling with it. Not too much. So, let me go ahead and get that started for you, and then we're going to apply the wig to our head, to my head, and then we're going to finish this review out for you guys, okay? So just give me one moment. Let me go ahead and get to styling this for you guys, okay? Alright, my doll, so I am done styling my loose wave hair from Celie hair. I am loving this hair. The texture is really, really pretty. I didn't have to do too much with it. I washed it, allowed it to air dry, and that's what you guys saw in the, its wash state when I first came on. And so to redefine my waves a lot more, to get the waves back popping, basically what I did was I took some water and some curl defining mousse, and the curl defining mousse that I use is from Lotto Body. This is from their Milk and Honey collection, and y'all, this mousse is so bomb. I use it on my natural hair because it makes my curls pop like that, so it definitely works on loose wave textures as well. It doesn't weigh it down. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, which is great because alcohol can sometimes be drying, but this does not have any alcohol in it, so it's really, really good. Plus it's a lightweight mousse. I chose not to forgo the baby hairs and things like that. I just gave a I just did a right side part, defined my parting area with a little powder, and then I adhered the wig down with some of the olive oil, the ORS olive oil Fix It Super Hold spray. And y'all, this spray is so bomb. I definitely prefer this over the Got To Be glue, but of course you can definitely use the Got To Be glue spray, but this is definitely my preference from now on. It's very lightweight, plus it doesn't give a white cast like the Got To Be glue, if you spray too much over while you're trying to lay down your frontals and things like that. Plus this is also infused with castor oil, so it's not going to be too harsh along your hairline or anything like that, so that's a good thing. So yeah, this is all I did. So I'm loving the results. I love the way the hair feels. It's very nice and soft. Even with the product in it, the hair is not weighed down at all, as you guys can see. And here, look at that wave pattern. Oh my goodness, it is so doggone pretty. Now, of course, you can go in, if you wanted to, remain at that, wash state. Just take a wide tooth comb. You can definitely make this hair a lot bigger if you wanted to do so. But yeah, I'm loving the length. I'm loving the texture. Got very minimum shedding, and that was a surprise to me because sometimes curly hair or wavy hair seems to shed a lot more than others, but this one, very minimum shedding, no tangling. So yeah, this one is superb. And dolls, I was looking at the specs on this one for my wig, and the specs for my wig is showing this wig is priced under $175. So yeah, jump on this one. This 20-inch is looking exactly like 20 inches. Okay, it is true to length from top of my crown to where you guys see it hit now. And I am 4'10", so The wig is definitely hitting me like boob length, which is great because you know, y'all know me, I love longer hair. But yeah, this will look great, and you know, if you wanted to, you know, have it, you know, in like a shorter length, it definitely would look great. You can definitely you know, you have the option to wand, curl it, straighten, and things like that. If you do decide to straighten it to revert the wave pattern back, you probably just need to wash it. But I'm definitely am gonna, you know, try wand curling it just to get a, you know, a much more defined wave pattern to it. So I definitely am thinking about wand curling it. Of course, I will definitely give you dolls an update on this wig. Y'all, treat yourself. Y'all already know how I feel about human hair wigs. Yes, they are work. However, you do need a couple of staple human hair wigs in your collection. So I highly recommend this. Of course, you guys know, if you have any questions, you can comment down below and we'll keep it up in the comments. Make sure you guys are following me on my social media. I'm Aya All Day on Facebook and Instagram. Definitely check out Celie Hair. Of course, product links will be in the description box. But yes, this is so pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go. I will talk to you dolls later in another review, and definitely check out my other reviews. Y'all know I have tons of them, so go ahead and check them out. I got some playlists available for you as well, and I'll talk to you later, dolls. Bye.